Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Rule 11 of the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea serves as the vital introduction to Section 2 of Part B regarding the conduct of vessels in sight of one another. This rule is brief, but serves a fundamental legal and operational purpose by defining exactly when the rules in this specific section begin to apply. Rule 11 states that rules in this section apply to vessels in sight of one another. To fully understand the weight of this statement, we must look back at the definitions provided in Rule 3, which explains that vessels shall be deemed to be in sight of one another only when one can be observed visually from the other. This means that for the purposes of Section 2, it is not enough to see a target on your radar screen or an icon on your electronic chart system. The rules governing crossing situations, head-on encounters, and the responsibilities of give way and stand on vessels are triggered specifically by visual contact. This visual requirement emphasizes the importance of the human eye and the physical presence of a lookout as discussed in Rule 5. It ensures that there is no ambiguity about which set of rules applies during an encounter. If you can see the other vessel through your binoculars or with the naked eye, then Section 2 is in full effect. However, if you are operating in thick fog or heavy rain where you cannot see the other ship, even if they are only a mile away, Rule 11 tells us that these specific rules do not apply, and instead you must follow the rules for restricted visibility found in Section 3. Understanding the application of Rule 11 is crucial because it dictates your entire decision-making process on the bridge. When vessels are in sight of one another, they can exchange sound and light signals to indicate their intentions and confirm their understanding of the situation. This visual confirmation creates a level of certainty that technology alone cannot always provide. It allows mariners to judge the aspect of the other vessel and more accurately determine its heading and potential changes in course. By establishing this clear threshold, Rule 11 ensures that every navigator knows exactly which maneuvers are expected of them and what to expect from others. It is the gatekeeper rule that transitions the mariner from general situational awareness to specific engagement rules. As we move forward into the more complex rules of Section 2, such as those dealing with sailing vessels overtaking and crossing, keep in mind that they all rely on this simple requirement of visual sight. By mastering this distinction, you ensure that your actions are always legally sound and practically effective in maintaining the safety of your vessel and the lives of those on board. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.